Hello, my name is Gary Whitman. I'm an author of many children books, cookbooks, and a variety of other books which I have enjoyed writing the last 4 or 5 years of my life. I retired in 2007 because I was the special education teacher and taught for 33 years. I was Teacher of the Year that year in the state of Indiana. One of the things I got out of teaching children was understanding what problems they had. This book called Timothy Bottom Rules, fifth grade Timothy Bottom Rules, deals with children who have trouble with bullies. As a teacher, I have gotten so many responses from teachers saying they read it to their students, they discuss it, and they talk about it. There are 3 books in this series: fifth grade Timothy Bottom Rules, fifth grade The Monster School, which has a whole variety of different characters in the book, just like a classroom, just like a school. There's not just one type of group, there are many groups. And in the Monster School, there are many different monsters, some good, some bad, and even human beings. In the 3rd book, it was called Fifth Grade The Dragon Master. Love that one because it came with a different concept for children to understand how to overcome bullies. These 3 books all give parents an opportunity to sit down with their children and talk about something that is so very important today in our society. The Book Factory was instrumental in helping me put my ideals into a form which I could get that message about bullies across to everyone in our country and around the world. I love the fact that they were able to take concepts that I had, discussions, and put those into a written format to be published out there in newspapers and stories and everywhere. Our local town, Jasper, Indiana, picked up the article and did a feature page on my writing as author of children books. I've been a storyteller for over 40 years, and taking and talking in stories helps me get concepts across. The Book Factory will help you get your concepts and your powerful books across to many, many people around the world. If you're having trouble just getting started, or if you're already an established author and want to go up to the next level, the Book Factory is that just for you. Take a look at my website, in which they help me make a better looking website. www.GaryWhitman, I'm going to spell that, GaryWhittmann.com. Take a look at that fantastic website that they helped me develop. Also, take a look at some of the other books that I've got out there too. They were instrumental in getting that ball rolling for other people to see what else that I've written. I have 7 books in a series which I love the most because it is more humor than anything. And when you can tell a story and have children laugh about it, you know you've got that hook or that line that's going to help kids enjoy what you write. They're called the Underwear Nerds and the Booger Boys, and all it is farts and boogers. And 5th graders, 4th graders, 6th graders, they all love it and they all laugh. Take a look at those books. Well, closing here, I want to tell you this. The Book Factory will help you be successful as an author. They'll help you and guide you. If you have questions, they'll take you to that next level and becoming a better and powerful author to get your message across. Again, thank you so much for listening to me. Again, my name is Gary Whitman. Check me out at GaryWhitman.com or go to my Facebook page as well. Check me out there. Have a great day. Bye bye.